starting in pre-construction and moving through the life cycle, is design coordination and the new Procore BIM. So with Procore BIM, we are delivering to field teams for the first time ever performant access to 3D models on their iOS devices. For the first time ever, we are putting 3D models in the hands of the people that actually install and validate the work. Woo, I know, okay. So, just you wait, okay? So the combination of these two, design coordination and the new Procore BIM, mean that coordination can be collaborative and continuous with federated models and issues visible to the entire project team. So there really is no way for me to talk about the power of this product except to bring Dave McCool back on stage this year to fly the model live here at Groundbreak. Dave?
So I've said it before and I'll continue to say it again and again, but the best products are the ones we build together. And you'll see that today. We visited a lot of job sites this year to study users and make sure we weren't just delivering a performant viewer, we were delivering a viewer that your field teams could actually use. Like the enhancements we made to 2D navigation. Now you can associate multiple drawings to your model. So if I open up this model and I open up the 2D navigation, I can zoom in and navigate to this corridor. And it'll take me to that exact spot in the model. But as I navigate down through this building, you'll notice that the drawing indicator in the top left updates to level 2. And now as I go down to level 1, it updates to level 1. So you can associate drawings to the multiple levels of your building. But additionally, you can associate multiple disciplines to those levels. So I can have the reflective ceiling plans. Or what's really nice is I can put the approved shop drawings in here for reference and navigation, like mechanical, or plumbing, or fire protection. As many trades as I want. Other more foundational features you'd expect are the ability to hide some or all of the model files and objects contained within that model so you can isolate what you need for the task at hand. But additionally, we added a feature called Hide Similar, which looks at the name of the object and hides anything with that name. Like these clearance zones I can hide with one tap, making it easier for your teams to get where they need to be, isolate what they need to see, and get the job done. The next feature I'm excited to show you is one that was built in the field with Ryan companies called Quick Create. We were out in the field and there was a discrepancy between what was in the design and what was in construction. So we needed to make a coordination issue. Now to give you context, it was in Phoenix. It was a little bit hotter than it is right now, so it was 102 degrees, which they told me is not that hot. But even for an Alabama boy, that is hot. And there was a massive glare on the screen, so it was really tough to see the screen, which made we knew we needed to minimize the amount of typing you had to do to create an issue. So now, you can create an issue, it automatically takes a snapshot of the model, it automatically titles it. It takes a snapshot of the drawing and the navigation indicator, so I know where I'm standing and what I'm looking at. I can add a photo, automatically takes location, automatically assigns it to me, and I can create it. This, if I'm online, will sync to the web, it'll also sync to the plugin so my detailers can take a look. So with 2 taps, no typing, I create a coordination issue. So the last feature is my favorite. So we have joysticks, we have gestures, the 2D navigation, but as we studied users in the field, it became very obvious we needed to add another navigation feature. You see, now that you can locate yourself in the exact place that you're standing and direction you're looking, the immersive nature of 3D takes over, and similar to VR, you want to move. And we noticed time and time again, the field teams would navigate to a location and they would move. And then recognizing the iPad or iPhone wasn't responding, they would go to joysticks or gestures. So we added look around. Now you can locate yourself in the building where you're standing, activate look around, and simply look around. Cool about this is we left the joysticks on the left-hand side active so I can go above the ceiling and look around. Or my favorite, I can walk and look around. The bottom line is we didn't build this for your BIM experts. This has been for your superintendents. This This has been for your foreman. This has been for every trade and everyone on your project. This is how you do BIM in the field. This is Procore BIM. Thank you so much.